My name is Nadi Sarif and I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my Master of Technology in Digital Communication from RKDF University, Bhopal in 2020 and Bachelor of Engineering Electronics and Communication from RGPV University, Bhopal in 2014. Along with that, I have done the training in hardware networking, SAP HR, SAP from ERP Infotech, Bhopal. I'm also Cisco CCNA 200-301 certified. Previously, I was working as a network engineer in Atlantic Technology for 1 year, 3 months. Due to this pandemic, I lost my job. So while searching for new opportunities, I came to know about the Evision Technoserve Private Limited. I googled it and I found that it is an IT consulting, staffing and recruitment company. So without any further delay, I joined their on-job internship through online, which was conducted on Zoom meeting. I in the training I learned about the different core technologies like CCNA routing and switching, Windows Server administrations, Linux administrations, MS Outlook network security and network troubleshooting. There were different trainers for different modules like Vibhujit sir, Tarun sir, Rahul sir, Roshan sir, and Manu sir. In even the management team was also very supportive in every situation. In CCNA, I have learned about the networking fundamentals like different physical logical network topologies, different networking devices, OSI reference model, TCP IP models, client server models, peer-to-peer network, and different routing protocols like RIP, like static, dynamic, default RIP version 1, version 2, SPF, EIGRP है, then OSPF version 1, version 2 है, router iOS है, how to take the backup of the router iOS through console cable by using telnet and SSPA, and different wiring standards and connectors, and IP addressing, different types of IP address like IPv4, IPv6 switching, frame forwarding, frame flooding, VLAN, VTP, STP, RSTP in different inter-VLAN routings by using three different methods, like old legacy method, and router on a stick SPI here. Then we have trunk port access ports. Then we have done the training on the network, different network security tools like ACLM, VPN, firewalls, IPS, next generation firewalls, different types of ACL like standard and extended ACLM, different type of VPN like side-to-side VPN, remote access VPN, IPsec VPN, different types of firewalls like hardware firewalls, software firewalls, traditional firewalls, stateful firewalls, next generation firewalls, Cisco ASA firewalls, and what are the different security levels in Cisco ASA firewalls, and next generation firewalls, and different security terms like vulnerability, threat, exploiting, and and different types of attacks like spoofing attacks, DOS attack, DDoS attacks, man in the middle attacks, and different password policies like strong password encryption, two-factor authentication, biometric AAA server by using two protocols like Radius and TACAS. Different types of malware like Trojan horse, virus worms, and many more. And in Windows Server, I have learned installation of Windows Server 2012 R2 data center and education से installation configuration of ADDS, that is Active Directory Domain Services, DSCP server, DNS server, WDS, that is the Window Deployment Services, and group policy है, group policy object, how to create the domain in the client side and how to create the domain in the server side, and BitLocker drive encryption से, proxy settings से, and many more things. In Outlook, I have learned how to configure the Outlook. Different protocols like IMAP, SMTP है, POP3, and the difference between the .pst file and OST file. In Windows and administrations, I have learned how to install Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 in the computer, and how to take the backup of the operating systems and how to take the backup of the data, and different types of partition schemes like MBR and GPT, and addition and deletions of the ड्राइव पार्टीशन है, डिस्क फ्रेगमेंटेशन है, डिस्क क्लीन अप है, and various window troubleshooting like BSOD errors है, what to do if the system get hangs up है, and how to start the computer from the safe mode है, and different types of beep codes and many more है. During the training say Evision also conduct mock interviews which really helps me to boost up my confidence and provide practicals equivalent to the IT industry. After completing my training from the Evisions, I have grown as a professional and I am fully confident that I will be able to crack any interview in my first attempt. So the reason the company should hire me is because I'm a quick learner and I will contribute to the team goal in as fast as time as possible. Thank you.